Hey everybody, what is going on? I hope you guys are all doing well, and welcome to another tutorial video. In this video, I'm going to be explaining to you guys how you can eliminate render blocking resources in WordPress, so let's get right into it. I'll be using this Jetpack article because I can't install plugins on my WordPress due to my plan, and I'll be focusing on the Jetpack plugins for this since they are very useful. They are also pretty much built into WordPress and they work really well, so let's get right into it. Now, render blocking resources are resources such as images, videos, which when they start to load, they pretty much freeze up the rest of the site until they're loaded, and it's a good idea to eliminate them as much as possible to, well, pretty much just make your site flow more fluidly. Now, once you to do this, you should use the Jetpack plugins, one of which is Jetpack Boost. So just get that, install it and activate it, and you can have the option to optimize CSS loading. Just go into your plugins and go into Jetpack, and then go ahead and click on Boost and then get started. And once you enable optimize CSS loading, the code for the CSS will go into the top of the CSS code to load faster. Other than that, you can defer non-essential JavaScript, so you can set it to load after other more critical pieces of your site are loaded, and you can also just toggle that on and everything should be good. You should also be getting your overall score for both mobile and desktop score, and that is pretty much it. You can also defer lazy images. So for example, if you have an image and if the person doesn't scroll down to it, it won't be loaded if you enable this, which is also a good idea to use. And you can also manually remove render blocking JavaScript. Just go through the code and remove everything that is causing problems. You can defer scripts as well. You can async the scripts. You can just find the scripts and then delete them. And yeah, that's pretty much it. You can also, again, apply the async and defer attributes with a plugin. Just find whichever one works for you, and that is pretty much it. Those are some of the methods you can use to remove this content. If you are identified, you can just remove the content as a whole, but that is pretty much it. Hope you guys enjoyed, and I'll be seeing you guys in another video.